Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Community!
This is such an exciting day. We are reopening the space here in Tysons Corner as a resource room. It's going to be a place that Neighborhood and Community Services helps oversee with programs for families, kids, and especially for teens, brought here by our libraries, by DFS, Department of Family Services, and especially by Edu-Futuro. They're one of our great partners in the community, providing bilingual programming for our immigrant families and for all families, for students, for parents, for teenagers. I think it's just a really exciting moment to think about space and community spaces here in Fairfax County.
We're very proud to partner with you to celebrate the reopening of the Fairfax County Community Service Room at Tysons Center to allow more Fairfax County and Providence residents to access government and community resources, including workforce and career development, case management, educational opportunities, library access, crisis intervention, and mentorship.
And we're looking for this to help promote equal and outcomes for everybody, and really trying to have a place that is in a community setting. Meeting folks where they are and having the flexibility to kind of drop in, shop. We understand with the flexibility of this space is really what's going to be key. It's in a non-traditional location, but it's in a place where folks can access it.
It is such a welcoming space. NCS did an incredible job. Even the bathrooms have great decorations. It really is. There's a place for kids in the front. Soon there's going to be a sensory board in the front so kids can come and use that. There are laptops, there are computers that people can use. There's a space in the middle, and there's even a whole wall where we're coming up with ideas of what we want to celebrate and share from the community. I'm just so grateful to the partners, to the county agencies who stepped up and said we want to help support this, and especially to Edu-Futuro and NCS who are really taking the reign in this partnership and helping activate the space, because it really will be activated for many hours of the day.